Welcome to another video, the same every time, GCSE Maths, IGCSE Maths, looking at the questions that are the same every time, apart from the numbers. Learn how to do them, get them right, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. We're looking at the equation of a straight line, the famous equation of a straight line, y equals mx plus c, y equals gradient times x plus the intercept. Here's a question, 3 marks for this one. A is the point with coordinates -5, 12. So A is the point with coordinates -5, 12. Write that down. And B is the point with coordinates 19, -48. Find the equation of the straight line that passes through the points A and B. Our first move with any question like this, always the same, is to find the gradient. Now notice that I've written my coordinates in a particular way, one set of coordinates above the other one. That's so that I don't go wrong and I do everything in the right order, the right way around. So gradient, change in y divided by change in x. So this minus this. 12 minus -48 divide by this minus this. So I've got to be careful with these negative signs. -5 minus 19. Type it into your calculator exactly as it looks. Try it now. Fraction button. Use the fraction button. Don't just use a divide by. Use the fraction button. 12, take away -48 over -5, take away 19. And we get -5 over 2 for the gradient. A slightly awkward number. I do prefer whole numbers with this kind of thing. I suppose you could make it into a decimal if you were more comfortable with that. -5 over 2 makes a nice decimal, but I'm going to stick with fractions for this one. So the equation of the straight line is going to be y equals mx plus c. So y equals gradient times x plus the intercept. We just found out that the gradient was -5 over 2. So -5 over 2 times x plus c. Now we just need to choose an x value and a y value for our equation. Choose one of your sets of coordinates. I think I'll go with this one. It really doesn't make any difference, I don't think. Just the numbers are a bit smaller, so perhaps it's easier to work with. The line passes through the point -5, 12. So that tells me that when x equals -5, y equals 12. So in my equation, everywhere that I see an x, I'm going to put -5, and everywhere I see y, I'm going to put 12. So 12 equals -5 over 2 times my x, which was -5, plus c. Well, let's let the calculator do the work with this one then. -5 over 2 times by -5 gives me 25 over 2. I'm going to stick with a fraction for that one. You could write a decimal, I suppose, but we certainly don't want to have mixed numbers in there. Plus c. Okay, now all I need to do is find the value of c, so I need all my numbers on one side, so 12, my 25 over 2 can go over the other side, becomes a minus 25 over 2 equals c. So let your calculator do the work, 12 minus 25 over 2 gives me c equals -1/2. And I'm almost at the end of the question. I've found the gradient, I've found the intercept. Now all I have to do to answer the question is write down the equation. So y equals m times x plus the c, which is -1/2. Don't write plus -1/2. Don't write it like that. Remember that adding a negative is the same as subtracting. So just -1/2 like that. So y equals -5 over 2x minus 1/2. Slightly annoying when we get the fractions in there, but let your calculator do the work. That's the equation of this straight line through those 2 points. Learn how to do it the same every time apart from the numbers. Get the marks, get into the grades. If the video was useful to you, please do press the like button. Also press the subscribe button because that's useful to the channel. And thank you very much for watching. I will be back for the next video.